Happy Saturday, futures trader, Nasdaq futures NQ100 pivot points, 5 days straight up. Next resistance, that date, that was on 8/26. Right there is where that bigger reversal. The reversal did start up here at the top, which was down on 8/22 at 20,025. That's the upper end. This is the shorter term to start Monday out. We are hitting, we can go up 7 days. We can go all the way back up here. This is where the downtrend started over here. Look at, I don't see a favorable outcome for the end of September and October. I see a big downside risk. To the risk is much greater than it is worth the upside from here. So you have to have an exit plan when you have these rallies. If you don't have an exit plan, you don't get paid. I am saying here that there is room for a little bit more upside. We'll let the chart be the deciding factor. But our NQ100 futures have asked me Pacific points, and there they are in the shorter term. We will see on Sunday at 6 p.m. how they open.